Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you one of the most unique, best ever traditional tawa fish fried recipe. This fish is going to be very delicious, and for this we are going to make special fish fry masala, which is the real soul of the taste behind this fish. This is going to be very unique and amazing. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this, first we are going to make this special masala. Here I have taken few spices: 2 star anise, 4 to 5 elaichi or the cardamom. Along with it also I have taken 1 teaspoon zeera, half teaspoon shahi zeera, few cinnamon sticks, 1 javitri, 1 teaspoon kebab chini, cloves 10 to 12, and also 2 star anise. Add all the spices into grinding jar. Now we are going to grind it into fine powder. So take all the ingredients accordingly. Now place the lid of the jar and grind it. Here you can see all our spices are grinded well. Now let's take it out into a plate. Now we are going to add in some more spices into it. This is not yet ready. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 2 spoons of coriander powder. Now mix all the spices, and for extra spiciness and extra aroma also add in 1 small teaspoon of red chili flakes. If you don't have red chili flakes, you can even skip it, or you can add dried chilies while grinding the masalas or the spices. Here you can see the best ever, spiciest and very delicious fish fry masala is ready. You can even store this for up to months in an airtight container. Now put it aside, and now take in 1 cup mixed peeled garlic and ginger. Here you can see the ginger is cut. Now I'm going to grind it in mortar pestle. So I'm going to grind it so that it gives very fresh, the fresh aroma and the fresh flavor to our fish. If you don't have, you can even add the market bought ginger garlic paste also. So here you can see I have grinded it in mortar and pestle. Traditionally we are making it, so we need to perform each and every step traditionally. Now let's take it onto a bowl, and now let's mix the masala or marination masala for the fish. Now add in the prepared fish masala or the fish fry masala into a big parat or a flat plate. Now add in the grounded ginger garlic paste. Now along with it, to give it a tangy flavor, I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons. If you prefer less tangy, you can even add the juice of only 1 lemon. According to your preference, you can add in. So here the juice, I'm squeezing it into the masala. So here basically I am preparing the marination for this. And if you like my recipe, do hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. And now mix it using your hand. First of all, mix all these ingredients, and no need to add any extra red chili powder or anything extra. So here you can see the thick paste is ready. Now add little bit of water and mix it properly. After mixing it in the perfect consistency, now I'm going to add in 3 to 4 teaspoons of corn flour. Corn flour is going to make the fish very crispy, and it gives a good look to our fish and the crispy outer layer. So do try it and let me know your experiences in the comment section. To give it a very good color, I'm going to even add in red food color. This is totally optional. You can even skip it, or if you want you can add in. So now mix all the masalas, corn flour, everything using hands, and prepare a marination masala for our fish. So here you can see the masala is ready. Now take a washed fish, one piece. We need to lift it up and apply the masala to the fish like this, as I'm showing you in the video. This is going to be the game changer, and after applying this masala and frying the fish tastes too amazing, and the next level taste you're going to experience. So see, I have applied on one fish, and in the same way I'm going to apply it on total every fishes. So here you can see I have applied the marination masala on the fishes, and you can see the fishes are ready to get marinated. Now I'm going to marinate it for up to 2 to 3 hours. You can even marinate it overnight for best results. Now heat an iron tawa on the stove and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil onto it. After the oil gets heated up, add in the marinated fish pieces slowly one after the other. After adding the pieces, allow it to cook on low flame for up to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the fishes have been cooked on the side that is stick to the bottom of the tawa. Just scrape the sides of the fish and try to turn it over and cook it on another side. Do not disturb the fish after placing it in the hot oil up to 5 to 6 minutes until it gets totally cooked from one side. You can see it is totally cooked from one side. Now turn it onto the next side and do cook it properly for up to 5 to 6 minutes in the same way. So here you can see I have turned it and cooked it for up to 5 to 6 minutes continuously, and the fish is ready, which is so delicious and so crispy. You can just see. Now let's take it onto a plate, and you can see our tawa fish fry is ready, and the fishes have been fried very well and it is too good and too yum. So this is my final one. Let's plate it. So this was my traditional tawa fish fry recipe with an amazing fish fry masala. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below, and do hit the like button if you find my recipes interesting. Also share it with your friends and family members. This is going to be very delicious and wonderful. Just once give it a try, I do request, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos that I'm going to post you every alternate day on this channel. Do watch my other recipes too. Just see the texture of the fish once you try this fish this way, and let me know your experiences and comment me whether have you ever tried this type of fish, have you ever made this type of masala and tried it or not. Till then, we'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.